Past Indefinite Tense. Let's start. Structure: subject plus verb second form plus object. Object is optional. Example: I did. He walked to the store. Affirmative form of past indefinite tense. Subject plus verb second form plus object. I walked to the store yesterday. She studied for her exam last night. He visited his grandparents over the weekend. They played basketball at the park. I wrote a letter to my friend. He cooked dinner for his family. They read a book before bed. They finished the project on time. I saw a movie last night. I went to bench with my family. She loved ice cream. She sang a song at the talent show. She learned how to play the piano. They took a trip to the mountains. I bought a new car last week. They flew to New York City for the weekends. I drank a cup of coffee in the morning. He slept for 8 hours last night. They ran a marathon last weekend. She caught the bus to the school. He worked late at the office. He danced at the party. Now comes on second form negative form of past indefinite tense. Subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. I did not eat breakfast this morning. She did not finish her homework last night. They did not see the movie together last weekend. We did not have a meeting last Wednesday. You did not attend the party last evening. He did not go to work yesterday. He did not play baseball yesterday. We did not plan a vacation last summer. They did not buy a new car last year. She did not visit her grandparents last month. He did not speak to his friend yesterday. She did not study for her exam last night. You did not go to gym last evening. We did not have a picnic last Saturday. I did not write an email this morning. She did not listen to music yesterday. They did not watch TV last night. He did not read the book last week. You did not make dinner last night. I did not take a nap this afternoon. The third form is interrogative form of past indefinite tense. The structure is did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Did she finish her homework last night? Did he go to work yesterday? Did they see the movie together last weekend? Did you attend the party last evening? Did we have a meeting last Wednesday? Did he play baseball yesterday? Did she visit her grandparents last month? Did I take a nap this afternoon? Did they buy a new car last year? Did we plan a vacation last summer? Did he read the book last week? Did she listen to music yesterday? Did I write an email this morning? Did we have a picnic last Saturday? Did they watch TV last night? Did you make dinner last night? Did you go to gym last evening? Did he speak to his friend yesterday? Did she study for her exam last night? The fourth form is interrogative form of past indefinite tense. There is two structures same as L. Didn't plus subject plus verb first form plus object, and other is did plus subject plus not plus verb plus object. Different is we combine did or not like didn't, or we separate didn't like did or not. Nothing more different. Did they not see the movie together last weekend? Did you not attend the party last evening? Did she not visit her grandparents last month? Did I not take a nap this afternoon? Did they not buy a new car last year? Did she not finish her homework last night? Did we not have a meeting last Wednesday? Did he not play baseball yesterday? Did we not plan a vacation last summer? Did you not make dinner last night? Did she not study for her exam last night? Did you not go to gym last evening? Did we not have a picnic last Saturday? Did he not speak to his friend yesterday? Did I not write an email this morning? Did she not listen to music yesterday? Did he not read the book last week? Did they not watch TV last night? Did he not go to work yesterday? Did you not eat breakfast this morning? Here are some examples which were used. Here are some example sentences using to be. I was tired yesterday. We were at the party last night. He was not feeling well. They were studying for the exam. She was happy with her purchase. Sentence using verb past form. I ate breakfast at 7 o'clock this morning. He broke his leg while playing soccer. She spoke to her manager about the issue. They went to the concert last night. I did my homework before dinner. Rules of past indefinite tense. The past indefinite tense, also known as the simple past tense, is used to indicate an action that occurred at a specific time in the past. It is formed by adding ed to regular verb or by using the second form of irregular verbs. Examples include I walked to the store and I ate breakfast. It can also be used with time expressions such as yesterday, last year, or in 1995. This tense is used to describe completed actions in the past, whether it's a single occurrence or a repeated action. It is important to note that the subject of the sentence must be in agreement with the verb in terms of number and person. Also note that the past indefinite tense can also be formed with the use of auxiliary verbs like did to form question and negatives. There are two types of past indefinite tense, the regular past tense and irregular past tense. Regular past tense, this is formed by adding ed to the base form of regular verbs. Example include walked, talked and played. Irregular past tense, this is formed by using a different form for the verb other than the base form plus ed. These forms are usually not predictable and have to be memorized. Example include went, ate, saw, had, did. It is important to note that while some verbs may be irregular in the past tense, they may be regular in the present or future tense. You are right about the weather. He had a meeting at 9 a.m.